apart from the touch screen, you also get 3 physical dials, yaar. These dials give me full Rolex Submariner feels, yaar. Listen to it. ये जो बीच का बटन है, it does many things. Check this out. This is the 2025 Skoda Kodiaq and this is not a facelift. This is a brand new car. इसमें 2 trims मिल जाते हैं. Just for starters, this is the LNK and then you get the lower variant which is the Sportline. New front and rear bumpers. There's new lighting in the front and the rear. Horizontal light strip hai between the slats. You get only on the LNK variant, not on the Sportline. Lots of strong creasing along the bonnet and across the whole car. 2-liter TSI petrol engine with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Power should be about 201 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. You get this little flap so that the water doesn't splash when you're putting your wiper fluid in. New alloys, a longer wheelbase than the Tiguan. Look at how quick. Look at how quick. Proper 13-inch iPad duster because हम ऐसे करते रहते हैं and there's all these fingerprints.
तो साइड के 2 डायल्स आपको टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल करवाते हैं और जो बीच का डायल है you can do multiple things with it like you can up the fan speed, hit it, up the volume of the music, you can change modes as you can see over here and you can also zoom in and out of the map.
So the gear stick selector that you usually get on these cars, not here, it is here. 2 glove boxes, 2 wireless charging pads and this can become, yes, under thigh support in the seats. 2-spoke steering. You don't get the emblem here anymore. You get the Skoda lettering. Canton audio, bunch of airbags of standard, panoramic sunroof, gesture controlled roof lamps, Skoda umbrella, which you must with every Skoda car. Now sitting in the second row of the car, look at that. Look at that. My height is 5.5. So this is not connected to these 2. Also reclinable. Rear AC vents here. You've got 2 charging ports here. Now this is removable, the cup holders. So you can just easily just take it straight in the boot. Also, no variant of this car gets dynamic chassis control. Just putting it out there. Why? I will be talking about it in my review. Sitting in the 3rd row of the new Kodiaq. Storage time. Most important. Boot mein, you get 281 liters of storage. Then when you throw the 3rd row down, sorry I have not put that back up properly, but this is 786 liters. Okay guys, what is your take on the new Kodiaq? Do tell me in comments. Going to be driving the car all of today and the review will be live tomorrow on the Bike with Girl YouTube. Subscribe and follow.